Okay, I know it's 11 o'clock. We've got some people popping in. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, but we're going to give everybody just a second to pop in. If you're anything like me, you've probably been jumping meetings today. We're certainly happy you're all here. We're very excited today. Another round of Tech Talk Tuesday. We are going to give these folks just a minute, but we are going to be watching chat today. We're looking forward to an interactive session, so get your fingers ready, get your mute buttons ready to come on and off.
And Sarah, I can admit the remaining folks, so don't worry about that.
Perfect. Okay, perfect. Well, we are happy to have you here for another Tech Talk Tuesday. Today, we are going to be talking about, this is our part 2. So if you were with us last month, we kicked off our discussion of our new, the TBR AI Literacy Competency Frameworks. And we talked about the student framework and the staff framework. Today, we are going to focus on this is session 2, and this is our faculty framework. So we're very happy you're here. I do see some friends in the room, so it's always great to see you all back. I do see a couple people popping in. I see our friend Dr. Robbie Melton is here from Tennessee State University. So hello, how are you?
Life is good.
We are certainly happy to see you. We're glad you could make it today. We've also got lots of our friends and we have several folks who've been here many times, and it's great to see you all and certainly happy to see you back. I did want to take a minute today to introduce our team. This is our AI Learning Collaborative, as always. Aaron Hugas, Jamie Nelson, Hari Bhatt, and myself are the AI Learning Collaborative here at TBR. We also wanted to pause today and recognize all of you because we had 85 people register for this session. We've got people popping in, but this is a representation of who's here.
How are you, Pam, right?
Our word cloud of who's here. Lots of different roles, lots of different areas of expertise, and that is perfect for us to talk about these faculty frameworks. Here are my housekeeping tips for the day. So as we talk about any AI tool, remember that you need to be protecting your PII. Make sure you are not putting any of your personally identifiable information into any of these tools. If you are using these tools with student information, we recommend that you make sure that you are protecting the students' PII as well. Don't put any student information into any of these AI tools. And as a reminder, this is from our friends at our TBR IT team. We do not allow any third-party recording tools. So think Otter AI or Read AI. The reason we do not allow those tools is because we cannot possibly know all of the terms of service, the privacy policies of each and every one of those tools. And so at the recommendation of our TBR AI team, our TBR IT team, we are using Copilot, which is embedded in our Microsoft Teams, which is okay for you to use as well, because that is a corporate account. And our IT team has gone through those privacy and terms of use statements. Also, if you happen to have a Zoom account through your school, those have some great AI tools as well. And also, as always, we are behind the scenes. If you happen to come off, we're your guide on the side. If you happen to come off mute, unexpectedly, we'll be muting you in the process. So we do want you to participate, but if you find yourself unexpectedly muted, it's probably us in the background, but please come off mute and interact with us today. So let's warm up with a couple questions. Get your fingers ready, because in the chat, here's our question. Here's our first question today. Have you permitted AI use in your course? Yes, no, Or are you still thinking about it? So pop in the chat real quick if you're faculty and you're teaching. Give us a quick temperature check in the room on where you are with using AI, permitting students to use AI in your own course. We've got one yes and one no. I know we've got a lot more faculty in the room. Yes, with your prompts and your instructions. Limited use, absolutely. Okay, no. Yes, no. We're getting a mixed group here, which is great to see. Still thinking about it, that's fair. Okay, we've got some yeses, we've got some nos, we've got some yeses with limited and very specific uses, with some specific instructions. So it's good to see that mix. That's a good place for us to start. Okay, next question. Think about this. How are you currently feeling about AI in your teaching? If you could sum it up in a word, how are you currently feeling about AI in your teaching? Pop those words into chat. We have unnecessary, assistive, apprehensive, helpful. Okay. Well, this is really helpful. This gives us uncertain. It's a tool. This gives us a good idea of where you all are, because as we talk about the AI faculty competency framework today, this is a really great place for us to start. So I'm going to turn it over to Pari to introduce our faculty AI literacy competency frameworks.